A local state representative says she has a plan to speed up the foreclosure process and get homes back out onto the market. State Representative Kathleen Passidomo wants to cut out the courts, and Governor Rick Scott agrees. But one attorney we spoke to says that won't work. Our consumer reporter Elizabeth Billingsley has a story.
By negligence, sloppy paperwork, improper filing, suing the wrong person, suing the wrong property, not having a note.
Real estate lawyer Kevin Jursinski rattles off a long list of problems with the foreclosure system as it is. But he doesn't see a need to cut courts from the process.
It's not the court system or the quality of our judges, it's the fact that we had an issue with so many foreclosures at one time that sort of swamped the system, which made it hard on the judges and it taxed the system quite a bit.
The Lee County Clerk's office used to process so many foreclosure filings, they didn't even have room to keep them on site.
The pace has slowed, in part due to a mandatory mediation program started by the state Supreme Court in 2010. But the numbers show it hasn't been as effective as hoped. 3 times as many mediations fail to come to a settlement than those that do. Jursinski blames the lenders.
But if you don't know the financials of the borrower and have no intent of modifying, working it out, or structuring a deal, you're not going to get anything accomplished.
We did not address that in the bill.
Kathleen Passidomo is a Republican whose district represents part of Naples. She's proposed a bill that would streamline the foreclosure process, but still keep the courts involved up to the point of a sale.
So I don't think it would be right or fair or would follow due process to go ahead and change it in midstream. So if we file a bill, a non-judicial bill, it would have to be for future mortgages, not just for future foreclosures, but future mortgages.
Passidomo says constitutional problems might also keep Florida courts in the foreclosure process. In Fort Myers, Elizabeth Billingsley, NBC2.